I saved $1,200 last week using these exact backstage auction tricks. And today, I'm showing you all 5. Dealers don't want you knowing this stuff because it gives you the same edge they use to profit at auction. Let's get into it. Hack number 1. Pre-auction car history loophole. Most buyers wait until the auction to dig into a car's background. Big mistake. You can pull auction car data early using free VIN check tools and cheap Carfax alternatives. Dealers do this days before, so they already know which cars are clean and which ones are junk. If you show up blind, you're competing against people who already know the car's whole story. Hack number 2. Secret bid timing. Watch dealer patterns. Most dealerships stop bidding once the car price hits their wholesale margin. That's usually around the same point, depending on the model. If you're patient and wait until the last 3 to 5 seconds, you'll often sneak in a winning bid after they've stepped away. This timing trick alone has saved me hundreds of solid flips. Hack number 3. Salvage pickup pricing strategy. Salvage cars with light cosmetic damage can be gold. Why? Because repair costs scare people off, but buyers overestimate them. Use sites like RepairPal to calculate real repair costs. If the bumper costs $400 to replace, but buyers are pricing in $1,200, that gap is your profit margin. Just don't mess with flood cars. Those are nightmares. Hack number 4. Dealer trade-in swap method. Let's say you've got a car you're selling and get a dealer trade-in offer first. Even if you don't plan to sell it to them, take that offer to your buyer and flip it. Look, the dealer's giving me $3,500. If you want it, you'll need to beat that. You've just turned the dealer's lowball into leverage. Dealers do this every day. Now you can too. Hack number 5. Post-auction title transfer. Shortcut. Title transfers are fees that kill new flippers. Auctions add sneaky costs if you don't handle paperwork fast. The shortcut is simple. Transfer the title directly into the end buyer's name if you already have one lined up. It avoids double fees and cuts days off the process. Dealers call this title jumping when done wrong. So make sure you stay legal in your state, but the strategy works. If you're liking these hacks, hit subscribe. I post car flipping tips like this every week. Next week, I'm breaking down how to spot flood damaged cars before you get burned. That one could save you thousands. Which one of these hacks will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss next week's flood damage secrets.